Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the tools you need, Wine or Proton and Winatrix if you plan tweaks. Once done, enable 32-bit libraries and add the core runtime libs. This lets many Windows apps run. Make a dedicated prefix folder so you can test safely without breaking your system. Use your package manager to install packages and run Winatrix to pull common redistributables. This first step prepares the environment so the apps have the libraries they expect. You now configure the prefix and install the app. First, export your Wine prefix and set WinIRC to Win32 or Win64 depending on the app, because architecture mismatches cause crashes. Then, use Winatrix to install needed runtimes like Visual C++ or .NET, since many programs require them. Run the installer with Wine or Proton Run and capture logs so you can revisit failures. Make sure to test the app after install and adjust DLL overrides or DXVK settings if graphics or libraries misbehave. You finish by creating shortcuts and associating file types so the app integrates with your desktop. Once done, tweak performance. Enable DXVK for DirectX translation, try threaded optimizations, and ensure your GPU drivers are up to date. If the app crashes, check the Wine log for missing DLLs, permissions, or graphics errors, reset the prefix, or recreate it fresh. As a key tip, try the same installer under Proton or a different Wine version. Often that resolves elusive compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.